Good morning, y'all. So, after my emotional roller coaster of yesterday, I had prayed and meditated for, I don't know, it was a long time. And then I had a huge pep talk with myself. And then at dinner time, what I decided was, I'm probably catching the flu, which is probably why my throat was so irritated and bothered. Sorry. What is this? Ew. Anyway, which is probably why I was so irritated and bothered yesterday when I was eating in my throat. So I had made myself onion, garlic, mushroom soup to flush it out. I also took my holistic cough medicine, which helped. And I got to eat a vegan grilled cheese, so there was that. No incidents, no bad karma, nothing happened. I ate it fine. No panic attacks, nothing. Straight down, good to the bone, just did it. And I drank my soup. It was really good soup. And if I still have like my throat bothering me today, I'm probably going to make the soup again. Takes about 1 or 2 nights of the soup before it flushes your system completely. So I've been using whole cloves of garlic in the soup when I make it, so garlic's going to just heal me. For those of you that don't know, garlic is basically an antibiotic. So, and same with onions, because onions clean your blood and garlic cleans your whole body. So both of them together is like a superfood. So that's why I made soup with them yesterday. Same with mushrooms. They taste really good. What is this? Do you guys see this? Sorry. I notice weird things on my body and then I just have to like... No, I can't zoom in on this angle. Damn. I'm gonna have to go look in the mirror and see what that is. But today when we got home, me and Lucas decided, because we saw that when we left, we saw that the little pumpkins were eaten and we were like, yeah. So it must have been squirrels. And then I was like, so then we should probably cut a hole in the bigger one and stuff it with some nuts for them. So when we got home, we went to the big pumpkin and found that there was already a hole in it, that the squirrels must have dug a hole in it. So we tipped it on its side and we stuffed it with nuts. Then we set it up so the hole was facing the outward towards the stairs, and the nuts kind of fell out because it was stuffed. So the nuts fell out onto the stairs. And then crows came and was eating the almonds out of it, and the seeds that I put on the ground. There's like tons of them out there now. Tons of crows. So I'm glad. I know crows don't just eat seeds. They also eat things like worms and stuff, but I don't have any worms. I think they eat fruit. Some fruit. I'm not too sure. But they do eat nuts. So they have a bunch of almonds out there. And I'll figure out something else for them to eat too, because I don't want the crows to go starving. Might slice up some carrots for them. And a potato, because I know they eat chips. I mean, well, they eat chips and they eat fries, so if I slice up a potato, I think they'll eat it. So I was gonna do that for them. I'm not too sure. I have to do some research on crows. For reals. But today's a much better day. I had my vegan shake as soon as I got home after doing the dishes. Made me very happy. And my vegan shake tastes just like the It Works vegan shake, so it wasn't too different of a taste for me, so that's good. What? What?
at Moo.
Look at Moo? I am looking at Moo. And soon we have to go pick up Logan. How long do we have until we have to pick up Logan? We have to leave in a half hour to go pick up Logan. And then we're going to come back. I'm going to make a big lunch. I was thinking about making sandwiches with lettuce and avocado. Avocado, lettuce, sandwiches for the boys. And then I don't know, I was just gonna figure it out from there. Then for dinner tonight, for myself, I'm gonna make myself a toasted avocado mushroom tomato melt with vegan cheese. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna put lots of vegan mayo in my vegan green salad dressing. I love it. Then it's gonna be like falling out on the bottom. It's gonna be like a little salad on my plate. That's what happened the other night when I made an avocado tomato sandwich. It like was falling out onto the plate, and then I ate it with a spoon after. Lots of fun. But my throat is very scratchy today. I think I'm catching a cold. Might have to make some more soup. It would be good medicine, so probably do that. And I'll also burn some sage to kill whatever germs that are in the air. Open up the window, let some fresh air in. That's all the medicines that I know of. So I'm going to go for now. I hope to be back later. And I will post some of my drawings that I did over the weekend. A crow just fell right out of the sky. I gotta go.